Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to record a macro. Macro is a very useful tool for people who work on Excel with some steps you repeat so many times, so we can use the macro to reduce the time you make the step. At first, to record a macro, you should show the and on the toolbar you should show the developer, and usually it will be hidden. And to show this one, first when you click on the file option and on the customize ribbon, you will choose the developer on the right of the task main task. Here you click on the developer, OK, and after that the developer tab will show here. You can start to record a macro. To record a macro, you will click here. When you click in here, it will show you the shortcut to work with your macro. Now this shortcut mean when you make this control and this shortcut, it will do the step that you already do when you start to record the macro. Or you can choose Control Shift by the cap lock. When you open the cap lock, it will become the Control Shift. You see here. When you press Control Shift, or if you use the H normal here. Okay, now we will start a macro. Example here, I choose the the column already here. I will type the text in the text macro, and then I press enter. After that, you go on the developer and stop recording. So when you choose a column here, you press Ctrl A, you see here it will automatically input the work text macro. It's very easy. Good luck to you.